Welcome to Ali Care. This is your girl Thea, and I'm here with a very helpful tips for ladies, right? And men can also listen, and since as you are watching this video and your spouse is not beside you, you can tell them to come and have a look, and remember to have them subscribe. So if you're here for the first time watching my video, please remember to press that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and comment when done. Also try this method and come back and let me know if it's working for you. Now, I know most of the things that I try on my channel are things that you have in your kitchen, and what people recommend is that, oh, those are just home remedies, those things doesn't work. The home remedies is better medicine than the one that you go to the pharmacy and buy. The reason being why it's better medicine, it just works where it's supposed to work, and if it working somewhere else, it only can work for better. If you take for instance, I always emphasize that I live on steroid for a good while, or say you're taking a birth control, so let me come off of steroids and say birth control, because I was on birth control after I have my baby and then start having sex again. I was on birth control for like 5 years when I was with my spouse, and it give me side effects. It give me a lot of side effects, right? And I know people on birth control and they never have on weight, and they start to getting fat and everything, even though it's protecting them from having unwanted children and getting pregnant and they didn't ready, right? So that's what they call it, unwanted. Not really that the child is not wanted, but once the child comes, it's wanted. Right? So basically what I'm trying to say is that we as people, when we get sick, we end up take medication that is really okay, it's taking care of what it's supposed to take care of most of the time, but it's also damaging somewhere, so that give you hypertension, diabetes, or so forth. And when you use natural product, it might a little bit slower, like maybe a day or two slower in action than the product that you will buy in the pharmacy that the doctor prescribed. And even if you go to your doctor, sometimes some doctor are honest to tell you that if you try a home remedy, it will be good. And when we shave, right, and you don't want people to, or your spouse, whosoever is seeing you, you don't want to go to the beach and let somebody mistaken your bumps and your vagina for syphilis or anything like that. No, would you? Or herpes, right? You want to get rid of them, especially when you're fair skin and you have a lot of hair bumps and they're just protruding like that. Some of them, even when the hair inside the bump and not coming out, it can have a little pus form look, right? Which I'll show you, show you how that would look right there. All right, so you don't want that, so you want to take care of that, right? And what I use for myself, because I talk about a lot about having your skin in one even tone, even if you're toning. And I use carrot on my skin, and I recently start using the turmeric and aloe vera, right, which working well for me. The reason why I use the carrot down there on my vagina instead of the turmeric is very harsh, right, and the carrot though is not harsh, so I use the carrot and aloe vera. But what I do to protect my vagina hold right there, I use it as I'm going to show you, right? I use aloe vera there to protect the hold, right? So guys, rub this right at your vagina corner right here. It's just like how you see it right on my hand here. Just rub it on your vagina right here. Just the aloe vera, not everything that I'm mixing, just the aloe vera. A fresh piece, as you can see, it is just peel and rub it right there. If you see this juice right there, leave it. So leave it right there. Even though if the carrot juice run there, it's no problem. But if you put aloe vera in your vagina, keep it mild and soft and take out bacteria, and it helps it a lot, take away infection and all of that. So I rub some aloe vera there. I show you how I rub the aloe vera there on my vagina. Then what I do, I use the 3% peroxide to cleanse off the ear. I do not use alcohol. So So do not use alcohol to cleanse off the vagina. It will burn you. I use the 3% hydrogen solution peroxide. 3%. Remember, I emphasize again on 3% with a piece of cotton. After I shower and come out the bathroom, I use the 3% peroxide to cleanse the ear properly. Then I mix up the aloe vera and the carrot together and I rub it on my vagina. I leave it there for at least as long as possible until it dry and feel uncomfortable. Yes guys, so this is 3%, as I was telling you before. See the 3% peroxide here. I use it to clean the area, so I use it to clean my vagina. Alright, I use it to clean the vagina, and after I clean the vagina, right, then I use the aloe vera and the carrot and I paste it on it. So you will have the carrot and trust me, the carrot and the aloe vera together will take away all the dark spot. Just leave it on it. Rinse it off. And you can follow, depends on how fast you want this action to work. You can do it every day or twice a week, right? I do it once a week because I've been doing it for a good while now. So I said, let me share it with you. So because of that, you know, your vagina don't look dark and the rest of your skin doesn't, you know? Because by shaving and you use all of those baby powder down there and so forth, down there can get a little dark than the skin tone even if you're light complexion, and to maintain it you can't put bleaching cream down there. So this is why I use a natural product. So thank you for listening to my tips. Go and try it, it works, and I can testify to it. I'm not just saying it because I've done it and it's working for me. Even though they have this dark little part between the vagina creases right there, so also, you know, get a little bit dark like a bikini line, you can use the carrot and the aloe vera there. What the carrot does is tone your body, and the aloe vera, it even by your skin tone and challenge that is going on, and that challenge is that anybody who's subscribed to my channel already know, but if you're new here, there are some videos there from they come from the last video. There is a code in the video where I write the word Alicare and I put the year code, the year when I started the channel. So find the word Alicare, and beside the Alicare I write the year when I started the channel. If you want to know the year when I started the channel, you can go and look it up. It's on my channel. I won't tell you that either. And if you find that code, you just comment your email when done. As you find it, the first person to comment and win it will get $1,500 credit of your transference, digital or live. And that's my tips. Remember to check out my website, and I have natural products selling. I can sell it anywhere. And if you notice, this is my wig, the same wig that I've been advertising. I just style it up, put in a little quick makeup, and yes, get yours. I just finished working. I don't have time to get myself a hairstyle, so I just put on my wig until I do my hairstyle. It's saving me again. So order yours now, and yeah, just put your email and let me know that you want one of these wigs. Remember, you can have it in any color, any length. If you want it even long to your foot, I can have it done for you. Any color. If you want 3 different colors, you want the end red here, so blue, any color you want, you can get it, right? So just order your wig today and subscribe. Thank you.